Good day, my name is Mariette Basson, and I'm one of the tutors for EDN113. Today I would like to discuss technology and gifted students. Classrooms today are diverse in that there are students with different disabilities and abilities in each classroom, and that as teachers we should provide support to them and include all learners within the classroom. When thinking about gifted students, we find that the following two views are common core. The first view is that they are smart and will make it no matter what way we teach them. Second view is that they are just like all the other students and need to be supported to achieve their full potential. Which viewpoint do you support? I will use the first section of this video to give you a brief overview of what it means to be gifted, and the second part to discuss authentic learning projects. Let's look at why we need to support gifted students. Generally, kids develop synchronously, which means that they develop socially, emotionally, physically, and cognitively, and more or less at the same rate. With gifted students, we find that their development is asynchronously. This means that not all levels of development happen at the same rate. You might find that their cognitive and emotional development is years ahead of their peers. Just as likely, you might find that their social development are delayed. And this brings us to look at the difference between our bright children in class and our gifted students. Looking at the behavioral differences between brilliant or bright kids and gifted learners, we find that with your bright or brilliant children, they are the ones that knows the answers, is interested in the work, has good ideas, listen with interest, understand ideas, copy accurately, they grasp the meaning of the concepts, they enjoy straightforward sequential presentations, and they are generally very pleased with their own learning. Whereas with your gifted learners, we find that they are the ones that ask questions. They are highly curious, especially when the subject interests them. They often have wild ideas, and sometimes even silly ones. They've got strong feelings and opinions. They construct abstractions, create new designs, they draw inferences. They thrive on complexity, and more often than not, are highly self-critical. Looking at these, it's easy to see that not all gifted students will be conceived as being brilliant. What does it mean to be gifted and talented? Garnier concluded that to be gifted, it means that you have a natural, inherent ability or aptitude in a specific domain or domains. Whereas to be talented, it means that you have gained the ability to transform these aptitudes into exceptional high-level performances. As teachers, our jobs is then to support these gifted students to transform their gifts into talents. How can we do that? We can support our gifted students by generating the interest in learning, developing the child's intellectual and creative potential, develop the tools of thought, and fostering emotional and social and ethical growth. How can we do this? By providing authentic learning projects. This concludes part 1. Please proceed to part 2 for a few authentic learning projects for gifted students. Thank you.